This week, pay for fuel at any PP garage using your Nedbank debit card to stand a chance to win a cash prize of 10,000 rands. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's a DSTV Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, AmaZulu 1. I'm joined by Ekse.
Sure, Steve, how's it, man?
I'm not my brother.
All good, man.
Yeah.
What a sneak into the top 8 again.
Yes.
Yeah, we are in the top 8, and then we won't go out, man. Yeah, last time you asked me a question, okay, they're going to make it in the top 8. Yeah. Now I'm telling you, it's in the top 8.
Yes.
And Singana Pagat, Singana
You're here to stay.
Yeah, Singana Vosh, go top 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are meeting Broken City, I think.
In your next fixture?
Yeah, in the next fixture. Yeah. Which is Broken City is on 35 points.
Yes.
We are also on 35 points. So I think it's going to be a very tough game.
For the top 8?
Yeah, it's going to be a very tough game. But then we will make it.
Yes.
Yeah, we will make it. We're going to go into the top 8.
Yeah.
Yes. So what a beautiful match we have seen here today.
Yes.
Mabida is very good.
It's
the environment.
Yeah.
Yeah. I also think that both teams they had a very good determination actually. Yeah. Yeah. Game plan was so good. The boys they've showed hunger. Actually, yeah, our boys showed hunger today.
Yes.
The legs of I think also the coach he made a mistake with fielding Saile late actually. Yeah. Yeah, because of Saile he did change the game actually. Yes. Yeah, that guy is very brave. Yeah, he changed the game, and also the legs of the Krogwe. Yeah. He did help us a lot. He did. Yeah, he helped us a lot. So I think the season is almost finished, Steve. Yes, my brother. Yeah, it's almost finished. So I think we just have to plan ahead to the next season. Yeah, yeah, we must plan ahead to the next season and see what happens forward. Man of the match? I'm gonna be neutral still. Yeah. Yeah, in terms of the man of the match. Yes. That goalkeeper for AmaZulu. Really? He did so well. Exceptional. He did so well. Yeah, he did so well, and I give it to him. Thank you very much, my brother. I give it to him still. He's a good goalkeeper. Top. Yeah, top notch. No, Steve, why you funish pa yana kanina? Asna goalkeeper tina. No. Today actually. Yeah, Bvuma is making mistakes, Steve. Yes. Yeah, he's making mistakes, but I think he's a human being. Yeah. I think also he's not a new player or someone that just got introduced into the team. Yeah. Bvuma has been there for so long now. Yes. I think he's one of the old players in the team. So I think what beats him some other time is his decisions, because of, if you can see, we considered a goal in Bvuma. Yes. That goal we considered because of he went out, then comes in. I think his decision making is very poor. Yeah, with Bvuma. But then he's a good keeper as well. Thank you very much, good keeper, my man. Thank you very much, my brother.